Hey, Namaskara Bengaluru. I am Prashant from IKEA. When I think about Bengaluru, I think about homes full of life. Homes where people work, relax, welcome friends, and create everyday moments. And that's exactly what IKEA is about. IKEA began over 80 years ago in Sweden with simple ideas, strong values, and one belief that a better everyday life starts at home. Today, we are a home furnishing company helping people create spaces that work for real life through smart design, simple solutions, and a lot of heart. What I truly love about IKEA is the team spirit. We believe in collaboration or hierarchy. We support one another, step in when needed, and lead by example. No task is too small if it makes life better for our customers or our co-workers. We also bring a strong performance mindset. We set clear goals, take ownership, and get things done. As we prepare to open our new store in South Bengaluru, we are inviting people to join us as store co-workers. These roles would be across sales, customer relations, food, and logistics. Retail is fast-paced and includes weekdays, weekends, and what you get in return is learning, growth, and a career you can build over time. If you enjoy teamwork, care about life at home, and want to be part of something bigger, IKEA new store in South Bengaluru could be the place for you. We would love to have you on our team, so check out our job portal and apply today. Thank you.